Well, today is June the 15th, 2024, and I'm down on Rifle Range Road near the construction where they've got the road all tore up, putting the culvert under the road there. I'm just going to kind of let this video run, and it's going to be self-descriptive. Of course, this is Saturday and no one is working, so you don't see any activity down there. I may get out there one day next week and do this same video so you can actually see progress. This is a little more detailed than I did the other day. Of course, I really couldn't tell anything had been done 2 days ago. Now this would be looking towards Dozier Road, like you're coming towards the Dollar General and the toll bridge. That's a pretty good look right there. Get a pretty good idea what's happening. Again, that's looking towards Dozier Road. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.